This is Ruby Anderson, a rainbow high doll. I purchased this doll for $8 at Target, very banged up. Thankfully, she still came with all her parts, though I wasn't sure if she would. Though, while undressing her, I realized she was defective. She has a small chunk missing out of her back. You can see this at 117. Due to this defect, I give her about a 3 out of 10. 3 being worse, because I don't see a child really needing to play with something that can possibly be broken, and I will only be able to keep this thing on display, and if I ever resell it, I won't be able to resell it to a child because I will be afraid that they might cut themselves and harm themselves.